Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can completely change the look and feel of your Windows 11 taskbar and start menu. So we're going to install an app called WinHawk. So you can see the app is on winhawk.net. Just click on download here. Now on downloads, it'll just download the app real quick. Let's just wait for it to download. There you go. The app is pretty small. It's just a setup here. So once it's done downloading, let's just open it like this. Click on run. Click on OK. Now you can see you can do a standard installation or a portable installation. I'm just going to do a standard installation. Click on next, click on yes. You can get a start menu if you want and also a desktop shortcut. I'm just going to click on next, install. Now let's wait for it to load. It's just going to say connecting. It's just downloading the WinHawk compiler 7C. Let me skip over to when the download is complete. Once it's done downloading, it'll say something like this, right? So let's just run WinHawk here. Let's click on finish. I'm just going to close this. And now we have WinHawk running on our PC. Now let's start customizing, right? So the first thing we can do is we can browse for mods. So these are mods. It's the thing that's gonna actually be the thing that modifies our user experience, right? So for example, if we want to change the taskbar, we can install the taskbar styler. Click on details. Now on here, you can see we can change how our taskbar feels like this, right? So we can change it to be something like this, or we can change it to be back like Windows Vista or Lucent, things like this. So let me show you how to install this. Let's just click on install, accept, press and install. And it'll say installing. So let's just wait for it to install for a little bit. Once it's installed, you can see it'll say something like this. It'll change to this. So you can update, disable, fork, or remove. Now, if you actually want to start customizing, we can go to settings. And on settings here, you can see we can pick a couple of themes to choose from. So the theme, I wanted my taskbar to change into Windows XP. Let's pick Windows XP, save settings, and you can see my taskbar has changed immediately into be something that's Windows XP. If I wanted to be bubbles, let's click on save settings. And you can see my taskbar has now completely changed to be something like this. If I wanted to be translucent, click on save settings. You can see it changed to be like this. Squircle, you can see it'll be like this. Row spine, let's click on save setting. It'll be like this. And then dark light, it will be like this. You can see much more stylish. Windows Vista again, click on save setting, and it'll be something like this. Now this is just the very top of the iceberg that you can customize with WinHawk. I suggest you search up other featured mods and then customize the look and feel of your Windows even further. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.